and this is my closet. And today I have a special guest. This is my daughter Kristen from Chicago. She is in with my son-in-law for a few days, and I know a lot of you videotape with your daughters. I know Georgia Sunshine videotapes and Southern Bells videotape with their daughters, so I thought I'd get my daughter. So this is her first time, and we are going to be doing Ipsy's. I've got the plus, and she's got the bag. So we'll have her start first.
I just pick?
Yeah, so you just go in the bag and see what we got.
All right. Do I show the bag first? Look at the pretty bag. Okay.
This is the monthly, I believe it's $10 a month for the regular Ipsy, and then the Ipsy Glam is like $25, and it is my first time receiving the Glam, so I'm pretty excited. And the first thing in her bag is by Elizabeth Mott. It's an all-over shadow brush. So you can see that it's really nice bristles. The question is, are you going to keep this?
We'll see. Can I see what's still in the bag?
Okay. And the next thing, this was the Tetris. They partnered with Tetris, and so that's what she's getting. So it looks like it's a lipstick.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
Oh.
Look at that pretty color. Yeah, there you go.
It's got sparkles.
You want to try it on?
I can.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope you guys can see us. We're back out in the sun, in the wind.
Can you see it? Maybe. I see the gloss. I see the glitter.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Very good.
Okay,
Moving
and
on.
let's see what else we got.
Is this just the...
That's the card that tells you everything. Oh, this just tells you that the Glam Bag Plus is here.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
And it's the Black Party. That's what this is called. And this is everything that's in there, so you can recap that when we're done.
All right. Okay. Looks like we've got some powder.
Okay. Oh, it's banana powder.
So is that like a...
It goes like a finishing powder.
Oh, very
I just
nice.
got some from Too Faced, so
Oh. Okay. Looks
that's
good.
really good.
All right. This is for your hair.
Okay, that is from detangling, hydrating, and taming frizz to repairing and protecting hair. It's the Numa New Moisture Instant Fix. Okay,
And then I have one more thing.
you have one more thing.
All right.
And that is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in medium sand.
And it has SPF 15.
There you go. So that was everything in her bag. So she got the 5 things, and again, I think it was like $10, and it was the Block Party by Ipsy. So are you going to keep everything that came in that bag?
I'd like to give it all a try.
Okay. Now we are going to do the Ipsy, and I know a lot of you have posted this, and mine did come all dented and bashed in. I don't know if you can see that, so I'm kind of hoping the products didn't get smushed. So it's the Tetris Black Party theme, and we've got the book. And the first thing is Be Beautiful, Be You by Farrah. And it's the brush set. And these look like really nice brushes. I have a feeling I might lose these. The next thing is Trazique. And it's the lip crayon. And I got matte color Belize. Maybe I have to go there to use it. It might be too dark for me.
Oh, that looks
But
good.
there's the color. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you go. So that's nice. The next thing is the Gen Clay. And this is Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. And you know, I always have a hard time with these boxes.
Oh, you have help today.
Yeah, I do have my help. That's what it looks like. See if we can open it. Oh. Make a mess out here.
Oh.
So that's what that looks like. This looks like a fun little mask for Mask Mondays. Miranda, if you're watching, we have masks to do. And I knew this was in here because I watched some spoilers. The CEO by Sunday Riley. And something smells really good. I don't know if it was the clay mask.
What does that do?
This is for
Oh, wow.
probably older people. It's vitamin C hydrating.
We all need hydration.
Yeah, we all do need hydration. And then the last thing is a palette. I don't know if my daughter remembers playing Tetris, but her
Tetris is fun.
her brother played Tetris all the time. Okay, so this is, and I don't know if everybody got the same palette. Wow. Nice colors. Something you might like.
Something like, yeah, look at those bright ones.
Yeah. So that was everything that was in my Ipsy. So there was the CEO Sunday Riley cream, and that retails for $65. So that alone pays for the box. It is a monthly subscription. And then there's the Fairer brushes, and they retail for $50 for those brushes. They better put the eye makeup on for me. Then we have the Tracy crayon, and that retails for $25. The Tetris eye palette is $24, and the Generation Clay is $39. So this was quite the value for only $25. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of my cute, adorable daughter. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and give me a thumbs up. If you are returning or just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. See you soon.
Bye.